Hello friends, myself Mohit and I am going to dictate you Steno Legal Matter. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Perused the minutes of the meeting and the resolution of the Honorable Departmental Promotion and Recruitment Committee dated 29/10/2019. Stop. The committee on due consideration of the matter following the observations made by this court in the order is prepared to offer appointment to the petitioner by creating a supernumerary post or by diverting a vacant post from direct recruitment quota in his reserve category. Stop. This indication is acceptable to the court to translate into the desired relief. Stop. The text of the resolution of the Honorable Committee passed against item number 1 is reproduced below. Meeting not perused. Stop. It has been resolved by the committee that the advocate be informed to apprise the court that in case any relief is to be granted by the honorable court to petitioner, a supernumerary post would be created or a vacant post available for direct recruitment would be diverted in his reserved quota. Stop. However, in the light of two other writ petitions bearing CWP numbers 14753 and 20141 of 2018, claiming similar relief, prayer may be made for grant of more item to examine the issue in detail and if need be to pass a speaking order in the light of email received from Shri Arshdeep Bullar, advocate, as under. Stop. Para. Sir, it is stated that the above said writ petition came up for hearing on 20/9/2019 for compliance of orders when the minutes of meeting of the committee were produced before the court requested to pass a speaking order regarding the same, and in case the same is not done by the next date of hearing, then the matter will proceed on merits. Stop. This is for your information for further processes, if any. Para. The interim order is reproduced in running paragraph 7 in the sequential order of narration of relevant facts at the appropriate stage of reasoning. Stop. That order set this case in forward motion, leaning on the side of the petitioner for good measure to culminate in this order. Stop. Para. I am constrained to record with some indignation from the reading of the email from counsel extracted and reproduced in the resolution that the minutes of the meeting were not produced before me at any time before the date of final hearing. Stop. If the latter two suggests that the minutes were produced, it is not possible to produce something which is not in existence. Stop. My interim order mentioned in the proceedings of the committee is reproduced below. Learned counsel for the respondents prays for and is granted time to take instructions. Stop. It is clear that no further adjournment will be given. Stop. In case instructions are not received by them on the next date of hearing, the case will be decided on merits and in the light of the interim orders starting photocopy of this order be placed on the files of other connected matters. Stop. Para. I could have concluded the case resting on the resolution as far as the petitioner is concerned, but I have felt it necessary to record my reasons on why I think the petition should be allowed on merits. Stop. Those reasons go beyond the confines of the interim order dated 14 to 2018 on which the resolution is based to dwell on the alleged mistakes committed by the petitioner in the shorthand and transcription test when at least two of them were actually not spelling mistakes. Stop. For those office errors made by the examiners, he deserved 2 marks to be deducted from the tally of mistakes, bringing him in the select list of 20 from 22 and within the 4% ignorable mistakes from a dictation of 500 words. Stop. Non adherence to the criteria adopted is one part as identified in the interim order which set the ball rolling, but there is more to the case as revealed in the final hearing, leading to the forming of opinion in passing of this order. It 3 of 25 is the alleged mistakes which have occupied my attention on this material facet beyond the interim order to bring relief to the petitioner to prevent injustice to him. Stop. Para. A word on the fate of CWPs 14753 and 20141 of 2018 mentioned in the proceedings of the committee is necessary. Stop. They stand dismissed by separate orders dictated in court on 8/11/2019 after hearing the parties declining relief in both of them. Stop. That was on the ground of delay and lashes and upon the bar of limitation coming in because the selection of the year 2014 was challenged in 2018 after inordinate and unexplained delay. Stop. While the present petitioner was prompt in approaching court to nurse his grows and for the vindication of his rights. Stop.